Hey everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Quick update on the studio. I have some lights now, I have a backdrop. Actually this wall is pretty cool, so I'm gonna use that as a backdrop. Probably should clean that mess up right there, but ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, so we are actually going to Sipoo National Park. There's this one place. There's a abandoned car and a abandoned house. So I'm gonna go there and take some self-portraits, and I'm gonna take you with me just to show you how I do it, just to give you some tips on how to take better self-portraits and so on. So let's just teleport us there. I don't got battery in my drones or anything, so I'm gonna skip that part. See you in Sipoo. Okay, so we made it to Sipoo. I have no idea actually, like literally in the middle of freaking nowhere. There was this one guy on Instagram, Urban X Mini I think his name is. He's shooting these abandoned cars and stuff, so I asked him if there's any abandoned cars close to Helsinki. He gave me this place, he gave me the coordinates. Now I'm here. I have actually no idea where I'm going, but we're gonna have a look. I think it's gonna be good. This place is fairly sketchy. I don't know where I am. I think I possibly found a place. This is a fairly sketchy place. I don't know. Looks like no one has been here in like ages. Oh. Hello. One car. This is not the car I'm looking for though. Maybe we got a cool shot of that as well. Who knows? Is this like... I think this is some kind of like old place where someone has fixed cars, maybe? The amount of garbage. This is like from some kind of horror movie. This is fucked. There's this one particular car I'm looking for, and it's not that one. It's just... Oh, Kimi, what you got yourself into again? Oh! I think I found a car. It's right there. Can you see it? That one. Let's go check it out. I'm not gonna go in there. That that place is freaking me out. I can't even fit in there. Fuck. What has happened here? I imagine like me sitting in there and taking a close up. You can see all the rustic and this like pretty cool surfaces and everything, but damn it, every time the same thing. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Okay, so first things first, you gotta need a tripod because you gotta put your camera somewhere. You're by yourself. You're by yourself. You don't have anyone to hold your camera. You don't have you don't have anyone to take the picture for you. So a tripod is a must. I don't know why that's open. Okay, so I actually think that we're maybe not able to use this car as a prop. So I could have done this like in my backyard, but whatever. Okay, so the cameras I'm using today for video is the Sony a7III with Tamron 28-75. Yeah, 28-75mm f2.8. And for photos, the Sony a6500 with the 35mm f1.4 or the 85mm f1.8. This is crop sensored camera, so the Sigma 35mm is approximately I'm not that good at maths, but above 56mm something. Next thing I have to do is dialing my settings. I got to connect it to my smartphone. It depends really much on the camera that you are using, what kind of settings you are using and what smartphone app. If it got, I don't ever use Nikon or Canon, so I don't know what's their apps called or anything. So I'm using Sony's. I got the Imagine Edge Play Mobile, something, whatever it's called. And I'm connecting my smartphone to it so I can screen that one and I can see everything that I can see on the camera. Okay, so I actually think that I have to go a bit that way because it's so dark in here. So I want the light to come straight into me. Straight on to me. So let's take this one with us and move. We're going there. There's a like bird watching tower. Maybe we can get something cool from there. You know what, guys? Welcome to Finland. Doesn't say it's gonna start raining, it start pouring rain. So typical my luck. So I literally like drove here to stand in the middle of nowhere to be creeped out by a house, standing in rain and not get a single good picture. To see that that car that I came looking for is so small I can't even fit my feet in it, but that's alright. If our photo shoot goes just as planned, you probably done something wrong. I think. I don't know. This. Oh god. Mamma mia. I'm telling you, this is the life of me. So yeah, I'm just gonna throw it out here as a small point about self-portraits. It doesn't always work out, as you can see, but the main things you need is some kind of remote controller, tripod, obviously a camera or a phone that has a self-timer, and that's pretty much what you need. That's kind of obvious, of course, but dare to go out and take pictures of yourself, because I know people could look at you like, why are you taking pictures of yourself? That's pretty embarrassing. No, it's not. You want to document, especially if you're by yourself somewhere, then you want to document the whole thing. and then you want some pictures of yourself, not just only like,
oh, nice flowers.
you want a picture like,
Oh, nice flowers.
you know, you get the point. The main point why I'm putting out this video at all is because I want to be as transparent as possible to you guys. I want to showcase all the bad things that happened, and all, like, even if the shoot doesn't go as planned, I want you guys to know that that's actually really often it goes like this, that it doesn't go anything like you planned. Or not that often, but it still happens. And but you learn from it. I take something home from this other than dirty shoes, again, because I only have white shoes. If you managed to get yourself this long in the video, appreciate it. But I don't have anything else to give you right now because of the weather and everything that happens here right now. So if you liked the content still, please consider liking, subscribing, putting on the notifications so you get a notification every time I'm putting out the video. It actually means the world to me that you watch the video. And yeah, I hope you're here next week as well. Catch you on the flip side. Peace.